am Chef Frederick Gale. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be demonstrating for you a very simple dish. It's a shrimp teriyaki with noodles. I have my shrimp here picked and ready to go. You can leave the tails on or you can take the tails off, it doesn't matter. I'm working today with a 21-25 shrimp, and what I mean by 21-25 shrimp is 21 to 25 shrimp comes to per pound for this shrimp. Shrimps come in very many different sizes, 16, 20, 30, 40. You have a U10 shrimp, which is a really jumbo shrimp. So when you hear the numbers, don't be scared. It's just how many pieces of shrimp per pound. Very simple. Alright? I have also some instant noodle, which I have here. Instant noodle. You can see it right here as well. Which I cook for about 3 to 4 minutes and boil it and drain, and then add a little oil to it to prevent it from sticking together. I also have some bok choy, some yellow squash, zucchini, some carrots, sweet pepper, onions, cabbage, some scallion, ginger, garlic, salt, pepper, and some oil right there. Alright? It's a very simple dish, very easy to put together. Let me demonstrate the zucchini for you, or the yellow squash, how I did it. Alright? Yellow squash or zucchini, they're from the same family and very versatile. You can use them in many different applications. Alright, so they're all washed, everything is all washed. Alright, so cut it in half and then cut the half into quarter. And I'm just going to take the seeds out. These are a little bit overgrown, so the seeds are a little bit hard in them. So you want to get rid of the seed. You don't want to have that seed in your dish. Alright, so just take that out like that. Alright, and that's the same way you will do the zucchini. It's the same application for the zucchini. Alright, I'm just going to turn it over, and I'm going to just cut on a bias, like snap, right? It's called a bias cut. So I'm just going to just like that, alright? So the same application goes for the zucchini, and you could use the zucchini in many different ways, and the yellow squash in many different ways as well. Alright, the carrot, I'm just going to show you basically how I get the carrots into a strip right there. The carrot is peeled. Again, I'm just going to slice the carrot on the bias, like that. Alright? And then what I'm going to be doing, I'm just going to stock a couple pieces of the carrot together, just like that. Alright, what I'm going to be doing here, I'm just going to make some small slices like that. Alright, so thin strips of carrots I'll be working with here. Alright, so I have everything here. So cabbage already chopped, onions already chopped, and my scallion, and of course I have ginger and garlic here. Alright, so start this dish. I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my pot that is preheated, is already preheated there. Alright, and then I'll be adding some garlic If you love garlic, you can just add a little amount of garlic there. Some ginger. Alright. And then I'm going to add the carrot. The reason why I'm adding the carrot at this stage, the carrots are a little bit harder to cook. So I just want to add the carrot at this stage to cook, because the shrimp is very easy to cook. You can use your hands. Your hands are clean. Make sure you always wash your hands before you start cooking. Alright, so a few pieces of the peppers are there. No sweat. Alright, so my carrots are sweating over there. And of course I'm going to be adding my onions. So I just want to get the onions a little bit translucent. So all that flavor is releasing into the oil, the garlic, the ginger, the onion, of course. And at this point, I'll be adding my shrimp. So I want to get the flame on a very high heat, and if you can't do that, don't try to do it at home. Use a spoon and just move it around. Alright? Now you'll know when the shrimp is been cooked. If you realize the shrimp are getting a nice pink color there now. So I am going to be adding my zucchini and the other squash. Everything's fine all over the place here. Alright. Then I'm going to be adding bok choy. And of course the cabbage. So the colors are looking good. And you don't want to overcook the shrimp or the vegetables. Alright? Peppers, I'm just going to add my peppers in as well, and a bit of the scallion. And at this point, I'll be adding my teriyaki sauce. Alright? If you notice, I didn't add any oil, any salt to it, because the teriyaki can be a bit salty. And I don't want to add any salt to it at this moment. You want to have a taste, and then before you add wow, is that looking beautiful or what? Nice colors there. Alright, so then now I'm going to toss in my noodles. The noodles is already cooked. I just want to heat it through. Just allow the heat to penetrate through that noodle. Right, you work it around like that. If you want to add some more noodles, you can always add some more noodles if you want. All right, just add a little bit more. So there you have it. This is teriyaki shrimp with noodle. Beautiful colors there. Now it's time to give a little taste, and then to adjust the flavors. The salt content is perfect. Let's add a little, some black pepper. Alright. And I'm just going to take the flames off. Because at this point it's ready to be served. There you have it. It's teriyaki shrimp with noodles. It's beautiful. So I'm going to serve up a portion. Set it aside. It's a little clean in here. Alright. Alright. Is this looking beautiful or what? Alright, clean the edges. I'm getting a napkin to wipe my edges off. Alright, the spillage there. Alright, and if you, at this point, you can add a little garnish. You can use the scallions here. If you want to get a little juice on the shrimp, hey, go ahead. Just add a little juice there. There you go. Shrimp teriyaki. Thank you for watching. See you next time.